So I have already created my layer, and now I'm going to select the type tool, the text tool, sorry. The color is blue, left click, and now type your text. And now Control A to select all text, and now I'm going to change the font to Anton. And now let's select the alignment tool, left click, make sure the align is relative to the image, and now let's align it horizontally and then vertically to center it. So here it is. Now let's select the move tool again, and now go to filter, light and shadow, and then select inner glow. And now you just need to change the mode here. Instead of replace, left click, change it to normal. And now left click on the color here, and now since we want an inner shadow, not an inner glow, I'm going to change it to black. So press OK. Left click on the GIMP window, press the plus key on your keyboard to zoom in. And now we can change, for example, the opacity, all these settings here to make it look much better. So this is the blur radius. So for example, I'm going to leave it here. So if I left click here on GIMP window, press the plus key. So you can also change the grow shape here, circle, square, or diamond. I'm going to leave it to circle. So you can also, for example, just reduce the opacity. So here it is, and I'm going to leave it here, and now press OK. Left click on the GIMP window, press the minus key on your keyboard to zoom out. And now I can still change the text here. Just select the text tool, double click. Let's type, for example, GIMP, or change the font size. So for example, I left click here, left click on the color. So for example, I will take this green. So here it is. And now if you want to use an image to create a kind of inner shadow or paper cut effect, I'm going to hide this one. Select the move tool, I'm going to bring an image. So this is the image I'm going to use. Right click on the layer, layer to image size. So to crop it to the image size, layer to image size. And now press the plus key on your keyboard to zoom in. And now I'm going to make my easy selection. Select the rectangle or any selection tool. So I'm going to select the rectangle. I'm going to make a rectangle here like this. Press enter. And now right click on the layer, add layer mask, and then check the selection layer mask and then add. And now go to select none. And then right click on the layer mask and then apply layer mask. And now just as before, go to filter, light and shadow, and then select inner glow. And now just as before, change the mode to replace. Left click on the color, change it to black, press OK. And now you just need, for example, to change a little bit. So for example, the position here, your inner shadow, and the intensity. So for example, I'm going to leave it here, and now press OK. And now press minus key on your keyboard to zoom out. And now I'm going to reveal my text. Let's select the move tool. And now let's select the text here, select it. And then I'm just going to move it down here like this.